Hi, so in this video we are going to learn about how can we create a bootable pen drive for Windows 10 standing in 2024. So I am going to tell you step by step that how can you create a bootable pen drive, and watch the video till the end, because at the end of the video I will be giving you some very important tips while creating a bootable pen drive for Windows 10 or 11 or even Windows 7. Okay, so you will get many videos on YouTube, but I am guaranteeing you that they won't be telling you these kind of tips in their videos. Okay, so step number 1, you need to open your web browser and you need to search for media creation tool. All right, media creation tool, and after you visit this website you need to click on this download tool now. So I have already downloaded it, so it is stored inside this PC, and I have to go to downloads, and you can see media creation tool 22H2. This is the latest version of Windows 10. So I'm opening this media creation tool. So after opening the media creation tool, you will get this kind of a logo that will say Windows 10, and you will need to wait just a bit. After it opens, I will show you what to do next. So it will take a bit of time. So it's telling that getting things ready, so it will get the things ready. So I will show you what to do when you download this particular Windows 10 setup tool, that is the media creation tool. Another advice that I am going to give you is always download the media creation tool from the Microsoft's official website. Do not download anything from other websites, those can be scam as well. So always download it from the trusted website. So it's getting the things ready, so I will pause the video just a bit and I will be right back. Okay, so after you have opened the media creation tool, you will get this kind of agreement. Okay, so you can read through these, and I'm going to accept this. And now after accepting, it will again load, because this is a hard disk PC. My PC is running on a hard disk, that is why it is taking just a bit of time. So be patient with this process. All right. Okay, so next it will tell you what do you want to do. Upgrade this PC now. So we won't be upgrading this PC now. We will be creating installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file. We need that ISO file for another PC. So I will click on that and click on next, and after that it will tell you the language. Okay, the language, you can uncheck this and you can select any kind of language you want. The edition is Windows 10, and you will get both 32-bit and 64-bit or both. So I recommend you to go with 64-bit. Then next, and after that this is important. So USB flash drive, it needs to be at least 8 GB. So I have a USB flash drive at the moment connected to my computer, so I will be downloading the ISO file by which I can show you how to make it bootable step by step. So after clicking on this, you need to click on next, and after you click on next it will start download. So I won't be doing that. I will quit the setup because I have already downloaded it. Okay, so this will take a few minutes. Okay, so let it run that way. So after I have downloaded the ISO file, you can see I have Rufus. This application is used to create bootable pen drives easily without command prompt. So if you need a separate video to how to create a bootable pen drive using command prompt, then do let me in the comments down below. I will certainly make a video on that as well. So this is the ISO, the disk image file, as you can see over here. So I have Rufus and Windows. Okay, so first I will be running Rufus. Make sure your SD card, I mean not the SD card, that is called the pen drive, is installed. Okay, so it has taken my pen drive, as you can GB my pen drive size. So make sure that you have at least 16 GB. Okay, 16 GB of pen drive. So the next one is boot selection. Watch this portion very well, because in this portion I am going to give you some very important tips while making a USB pen drive, and this is completely from my experience. No other YouTuber won't be telling you all these things in details. So next one is the boot selection. So disk or ISO image, because we are selecting the ISO image, we need to select it now. So I am clicking on select, and I am taking this ISO image. You can can see disk image. I will click on open, and after that I will move this bit on the side. Yeah, so after that you can see image option. So standard Windows installation, keep it like this. Now the most important things come. This is the partition scheme. So in partition scheme you get two options. One is master boot record, that is the MBR, and GUID partition table, that is GUID partition table. So you will be confused that what to select. Listen to me very carefully. If you are making this particular pen drive, that is the bootable pen drive for a PC which is older, which uses legacy BIOS, not UEFI BIOS, because nowadays all the PCs uses UEFI BIOS, no one uses legacy BIOS. So if you are using it for a legacy BIOS PC, then go with MBR, master boot record. Okay, and if you are using it for UEFI, you can see the target system automatically changes to UEFI. Okay, so many YouTubers have done this video before. I have seen a lot of things on this video, but nobody tells you in details that what you need to do in this particular section. So GPT always remember for UEFI, and MBR always remember for BIOS, or that is the legacy BIOS. Okay, so MBR is not supported for Windows 10. Windows 10 supports GPT on most of the occasions. Alright, so always select GPT at the moment. If you were creating this particular pen drive back in 2006, 2005 or before that, I would have told you to make it in MBR. Alright, next one is the volume level. You can change the name of this as well. I am using the default name ESD ISO. And the next very important thing comes here. So FAT32 is the default and NTFS. What is the difference between FAT32 and NTFS? So FAT32 has the size of only 4 GB. That means that it will support up to 4 GB. Okay, but our ISO file is larger than 4 GB. So the format in which you are doing it should be in NTFS. Alright, NTFS supports up to 2 TB, or I think even more than that, above 2 TB. That is a huge size. Always do it in NTFS. Do not format this particular pen drive in FAT32, because in FAT32 only 4 GB is supported. Up to 4 GB you can format. Alright, I hope you have understood. Please let me know in the comments if you have any further doubts about this particular section. Now I am selecting NTFS, and after that I will click on start, and it says customize Windows installation. You do not have to do all these things, you just need to click on OK, and it will say that all data on the device ESD ISOF 16 GB will be destroyed. To continue with this operation, click on OK. To quit, so you can click on OK. Okay, now our bootable pen drive is ready. I skipped that portion because that was a huge portion, and you will get this kind of an interface for your pen drive. You can see over here this particular logo. This means that my pen drive is already bootable. So this is how you can create a bootable pen drive for Windows 10 or 11. The process will be the same, or for Windows 7 the process will be the same as well. So in the next video, if possible, I think it will be possible, in the next video I will be making a video on how to create a multi-bootable pen drive. That is, in one single pen drive you will be able to install Windows 10, Windows 11, or even Windows 7 or 8, or even Windows Vista. Okay, so I will be covering that video. If you want that video, please let me know in the comments. The video has already been a bit long, but I know that if you watch this video you will certainly know those differences between that FAT32, NTFS, MBR and GPT. Please remember those things, because from my personal experience I am telling all those things. Alright, because I have experienced those kind of things. Plenty of hardware issues have come in the past when I am doing services for my customers, so I have learned a lot from them as well. So thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to like the video. Your one like and your one subscription is a huge benefit and also a huge motivation for me to make more and more informational videos for you all. So if you are interested in computer tips, computer tricks, computer tutorials and also programming languages and everything related to computer, then do subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you all again next time in another video. Till then, goodbye and take care.